Anyways, I finally got a projector in there. You got one of the biggest projectors. That's the NHK, the G5.
What's up, YouTube? Alright, so today we're gonna be getting the edge done, getting some halos and some new projectors. We're gonna get set up with a quad beam projector. Gonna get rid of that one right there. That's a DRL. I really don't like it. I want to make this pretty similar to what the setup that I have on my Altima. I'm gonna show you guys that, but first let me show you the before and after, you know, for when it gets done or whatnot. So I have no idea what they're gonna do, but this is what it looks like right now. Oh man, that looks nice.
Man, I love them. I've literally been showing everybody that's coming. The lens end on it, but yeah, man, I love how we did the color match little extra part right there.
Such a tight and difficult place. Anyways, I finally got a projector in there. You got one of the biggest projectors. That's the NHK, the G5, which is like the big brother to the Morimoto D2. And finally got it all to fit in there, because then we ran into the issue of having a HID system that was going to work with your factory system, because not anything, this OEM Exelitron or whatever the heck the name of the ballast is on this doesn't just work with any HID bulb or anything like that. So we went with this projector. I had them finished, had to take it back apart, went with this projector so we could still use your OEM HID system on it. So you got a big badass projector in it.
Oh man, that's what's up. I appreciate that.
Now where we're at on it is you don't have a place for halos. You know, if anything, you could do one. I think it would look goofy with just one on there. Sorry, I hadn't cleaned them up any at all.
No, you're fine.
Yeah, no, I was just kind of going to see your opinion on that. Let me see that bulb. Just kind of, yeah. See your opinion on that. There's only, like I said, only place we could redo would be one halo on there, and I think that would look goofy. This one is not going to be applicable, but I could do you a demon eye in this one if you want something that will give you a little, you know, multicolor option.
Okay.
Or we may could figure out how to do maybe do you a strip down here in the lower one that'll kind of, you can, you know, control the color on. I was just going to kind of see your input on it.
Gotcha. Well, we can't do like the Explorers, how they have like the strip. I think it's from here, like something like that. Like there's enough space.
It'll be tight up top doing one, but I was I can show you. Show you a couple of strip options. This is one of
These look nice, man. Really nice.
I'll show you these.
Okay.
This is a Rgb strip from the retrofit source, which we could do, you know, either across the top or at the bottom. I'd have to take they're not together, so I'd have to take the lens and the bezel back out and see if we could run it across the top. If we could run one of these across the top, you know, that'll give you, you know, this is a RGBW, so you can do whatever color you want, you know, whatnot on that. We could do something like that. They make some other strips. So these should do all the sequential stuff, but also do a multicolor as well.
And was that other one that you showed me, was that multicolor as well?
It was just switchback. It was just white and did an amber turn signal.
Gotcha.
This one's a little bit shorter than that one.
And is this one on the hinge too or no?
Yeah, they'll you know, I can make that turn with this one as well too.
Yeah, hold on one second.
So that'll do sequential.
Oh man,
And I
that's
want to
nice.
say, I'm not sure what that one will do, but yeah, that one will have an app that it runs from. I have yet to use these in a set of housings before, so I can't I can't speak on how great they are. It is something very new from one of our manufacturers. But it has hundreds of different features to it. You can make it solid colors.
Is it waterproof? Like it won't be damaged from
No.
like if water ever gets into the headlight?
It is not waterproof at all. If I had to guess.
Okay. So would you use this inside of a headlight?
Yeah. I mean that's when the supplier told me about them, that's what I was planning on doing, was finding the correct application for these.
Gotcha. Well, I guess I'll be the test bed for it then.
There you go. Towards the end of this.
Mm-hmm.
And that thing would wrap dang near all the way around there. Like I said, I can roughly maybe lay it in there and send you some pictures of it, kind of see what you're thinking there. If not, we should be able to get that other one in there all the way across the top there.
Well, I'm a sucker for the sequential, so
That is nice.
yeah, I'm definitely going along with those sequentials.
Okay.
All right, so I got good news. The truck is done, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. But bad news is, yeah, this isn't the Edge. This is the Ultima. The Edge is, well, the battery's dead, and here's a key fob here. Not even unlocking the truck. So I don't even have the little key that's on the inside. So that's very stressful for me. The tow truck will be here. They said they're gonna unlock my truck for me. So I'm gonna wait for them to get here, and then I can show you how nice the headlights are. So we'll just wait on them to get here. So tow truck driver is here. Went ahead and got set up with the battery charge, not battery charger, jumper cables hooked up. So let's go ahead and try to fire this truck up. All right, perfect. All right, so now that both are fired up, so I'm gonna go ahead and reposition both cars. Check back through in just a second. All right, guys, so I went ahead and moved the Ultima back over here. I'm gonna show you guys what this whole entire system incorporates. So I thought they did something to the interior. They didn't do anything to the interior. However, we have this app that goes along with the headlights. So I'm gonna show you guys that. All right, and you select the SP110E, then you turn it on, and it goes to whatever color you use last. Press enter. So it's this solid blue color that I have here, and this is the brightness. So you can go through a bunch of different colors, and it just changes. Anywho, so I'm gonna show you that. Go on the outside real quick. Alright, so this looks pretty nice. Okay, so keep going through different colors or whatnot. All the different functions that this thing entitles. Oh, I actually like that one. Man, this actually looks like that candy that they sell in the store. I can't think of the name of it, but they actually look like a candy. That's pretty funny. So, like I said, it connects to the app or whatnot. So I'll go ahead and show you more of this. One of the neatest features I feel like is, where's the key? All right, the key here. When you press the lock button, this happens. Oh, that's right, the engine is on. That's why it's not doing anything. So you can see you have to turn it off from the app. So that's a pretty neat function. So press the lock button. Well, that's the unlock button rather. You gotta close this hood really quick. Press the unlock button. DRL goes all the way to the top. Press the lock button. It kind of stops like right here. And for this build, we did this right here. The gold piece, that gold trim is color matched to the paint job. We did the quad beam projector right there. That one, it has the low and a high as well, but we're only using it for the high function. This one has a high function, and it looks really, really bright at night, guys. And obviously the same thing was done to this side. I just love how the DRL just curls up. Press the lock button and it stops right there. One other thing that's kind of nifty about this build is that the high beams, it looks really, really neat. So I guess I'm gonna turn the engine off for this one. I don't want my battery to die. So obviously when I turn the headlights on, they charge up or whatnot. Let's watch that happen. Now in the future, I'm going to change the color temperature of the bulbs because they're at night, they're kind of like yellowish. So I want it to be color matched. So let me go ahead and flip the beams on high. That way you guys can get a better understanding how it looks. Now that's on high. Just look at that, man. Looks pretty good right there. And I tell you guys, at nighttime, this is really, really bright. And you're probably just going to be seeing the middle beams, well, the inside beams rather, they're going to be charging up. So as you can see on camera, they're not exactly color matched. So definitely got to fix that. So we'll do that in a later video, guys. That's the update. Thank you, guys.